Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a discount code or discount on your Wix website. So first of all, open your dashboard on your Wix and go to the marketing section and click on discount. Click on coupons. A new page will open. From here, you can click on new coupon. Click on it. Now you have some types of coupons that you can enter or apply to your website. For example, the discount or the percentage or free shipping, sale price, buy X and get Y free. I will get sale price, and you can enter any coupon code. For example, winter sale 24. So this is, and I can just give any name, and you can also retype the name in the coupon name, and you have to enter your amount. For example, you will get $50 off, so I will enter the amount, and in the apply to section I will choose all products or specific category. So I will select all products, include subscriptions or not, valid between 22 December till end of the year. For example, this coupon code will be available between 22 December and 31st. So you can also limit the total number of uses for this coupon. For example, you can also apply limit to 1 use per customer and click on create coupon. Now your coupon has been successfully created, and you can give your coupon code on your Instagram stories or to your users wherever you want. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.